Okay, I just replaced this, my turn signal switch, aka multi-function switch, and with all these switches, including where it connects to the wiper stick on the other side, it's all controlled by these 4 little wires. So when it stops working, for whatever reason, everything stops working. That's the little 4-pin guy that connects it to the car. This has been happening while driving with the old one, so it looks like everything's working. And the rear wiper and squirter, yep. So headlights, high beam flash, left signal, right signal, and hazards. Which also, even though the button's way over here, also doesn't work when that decides to screw up. So you have like no recourse. Oh, and just to point out, I'm sitting here, you know, taking my car apart, got my drill and all that in the AutoZone parking lot. So yeah, I look like a moron sitting here talking to myself, videoing myself, but I want to get it done before I drove home so it doesn't screw up on me. And now I'm just going to put those panels back on and head home.